My dear friends. As you all know that the weight management is one thing that is actually a very important thing so far as the wellness products are concerned, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So, thyroid is one problem that is always persistently seen in most of the people. They are persistently seen in most of the population in India when it is concerned, the demographics of India when it is concerned. It is always important that weight management plays a very important role so far as the understanding of the product iSlim bar is concerned. See, the most important thing in thyroid disorder as such when it is concerned, this is again an endocrine disease or a disorder as people call this as. It's an endocrine disease. See, one of the important thing here is there are two types of thyroid disorders basically which affects the weight of the human being. So one is called as the hyperthyroidism, the other is called as the hypothyroidism, my dear friends. So hyperthyroidism is a condition where the body produces too much thyroid hormones, ultimately speeding up the metabolism and making it difficult to maintain a healthy weight. Whereas hypothyroidism is a condition where there is underactive thyroid which occurs when the body produces little thyroid hormones, causing a slowdown of metabolism and creating unwanted weight gain. This is very, very important. There are 2 points that I am trying to convey this to you here. The first point is the weight loss which happens because of hyperthyroidism and the weight gain which happens because of hypothyroidism. This is very, very important because hypothyroidism is one condition where the most of the women, especially the most population wise, if you see, women population is mostly suffering from this particular hypothyroidism condition. This is very, very important. So hypothyroidism is a one which actually results in a lot of weight gain, whereas hyperthyroidism is the one which results in weight loss. I hope your point is clear. Everybody has understood this point. So one more thing that I want to convey this to the people who are watching this Facebook live is there is a link which is appearing at the bottom of your chat screen there. So you can pose your questions by clicking on that link as well, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear. You can click on that link and you can pose your questions as well, and also as a part of the chat as well, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you all. So the next important thing is about the hypothyroidism, what I was trying to tell you. So hypothyroidism is nothing but the other part of the thyroid was what I was trying to speak about was the hyperthyroidism. So hyperthyroidism, let us start with the increased levels of thyroid in the body. That is called as hyperthyroidism. So whenever a person is affected with hyperthyroidism, what exactly happens here is the first and the foremost thing is intolerance to heat. Because your basal metabolic rate or the metabolism rate normally increases. This is very important. Normally it increases because of this particular hyperthyroidism. So it also results in the hairs becoming fine and straight. The eyes become bulged. This is also very important. The eyes becomes bulged. The facial flushing also happens. The enlargement of the thyroid glands also happen. Tachycardia, in other words, the increased palpitation or the heartbeat, this can also happen regularly. Systolic blood pressure increases. The weight loss is seen. This is very, very important, my dear friends. Weight loss is seen so far as hyperthyroidism is concerned. Breast enlargement happens in case of women. Muscle wasting also happens. Localized edema or nothing but the swelling also happens here. Menstrual changes, especially the amenorrhea in case of women can happen. Tremors, especially the trembling of the hands can happen. Diarrhea can also happen, my dear friends. And clubbing of the fingers. This is how exactly the hyperthyroidism is important so far as the human body is concerned. Where the other way of thinking about it is called as hypothyroidism, where the functioning of the thyroid gland is actually limited. The functioning of the thyroid gland is limited so far as hypothyroidism is concerned. So far as hypothyroidism is concerned, the first thing is the thyroid, the liver diseases can happen, especially the increased LDL levels, the elevated triglyceride levels can happen in the human body. So far as the intestines are concerned, it results in constipation, decreased GI activity. So far as the reproductive system is concerned, decreased fertility rates, menstrual abnormalities, and it can also cause a lot of problems in children as well. So far as your brain is concerned, a lot of depression can happen, and decreased concentration and memory can happen in case of hypothyroidism, my dear friends. So in case of heart, so far as the hypothyroidism is concerned, decreased heart rate, increased or decreased blood pressure, decreased cardiac output. So these things are also seen. So far as the kidneys are concerned, decreased kidney function, fluid retention and edema. So these are some of the things which happen so far as hypothyroidism is concerned. So I hope you got the point now. So far as any of the thyroid disorders are concerned, the first thing is the hypo or the hyper, weight is actually affected. Either it is weight loss or weight gain. So this can actually happen with thyroid problems, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you. So whenever a person is affected with any kind of a thyroid problem for that matter, so your weight will be affected, your metabolism will be affected, the whole and soul processes of each and every organ of the human body will be affected, my dear friends. This is what is exactly going to happen when the thyroid problem happens to the human body. So not only this, my dear friends, so far as hypothyroidism, again I want to emphasize on this point of hypothyroidism, because this is a case where most of the women folk are affected across India. So far as the whole world is also concerned, hypothyroidism is one condition where most women population is affected. So this is very, very important so far as hypothyroidism is concerned. Hair loss is seen, that is one thing. Inability to think clearly, your goiter can happen, reduced heart rate can happen, feeling of fatigue can happen, sensitivity to cold can happen, dry skin can happen, weight gain, puffiness of the face, memory problems, constipation, irregular menstrual problems, severe post-menopausal syndrome. Especially in case of women, post-menopausal syndrome can also be seen, depression and mood swings, joint and muscle pain, high cholesterol levels. See, all these things are seen so far as the hypothyroidism is concerned, which is affecting most women as well as men also in India these days. Whereas hyperthyroidism is limited to a minimum percentage of population across India, my dear friends. So this is a wonderful thing. This is actually a thing that most people do not know as one of the basic reasons for weight gain and weight loss. People have to know this, because weight gain or weight loss can happen because of these reasons, and it is not only because of diet and lifestyle, my dear friends, because of these underlying diseases also such problems can happen in the human body. I hope you got the point how the thyroid can affect your weight. So going ahead, thyroid hormones regulate the basal metabolism, thermogenesis, and play an important role in lipid and glucose metabolism. Well, whenever a woman feels that kind of heat or the increased BMR inside the human body, the basal metabolic rate, when it increases, the thermogenesis increases, that is when the thyroid problems actually creep up. So that is the reason why the thyroid hormones are impairing all the times. We call it as the T3, the T4 as well as the TSH, which is called as the triiodothyronine, the tetraiodothyronine, as well as the thyroid stimulating hormone or the TSH, what we call it as. So these are the three hormones which actually impair so far as the thyroid glands are concerned. So in fact, the thyroid dysfunction is associated with changes in the body weight and composition, the body temperature, the total and resting energy expenditure, as well as the independent of physical activity. So these things can happen inside the human body so far as the thyroid problems are concerned, my dear friends. So the next thing is about the uniqueness of iSlim flat tummies bar in this. As I told you, my dear friends, many times, overweight and obesity are called as metabolic disorders. They are not a single disease. They are in fact called as disorders. So disorders are nothing but a combination of various diseases. I hope the point is clear to you all. So far as iSlim flat tummies bar are concerned, there are 5 important points that everyone needs to know. The first point is the bar is with low calorie. The bar does not have high protein content, it does not have high carbohydrate or starch content, but it has a lot of fibers in it. That is the reason why it is a very low calorie bar. Not only this, it has a lot of synergistic actives, it is a weight management bar, it is fiber rich bar, it is 100% natural based, my dear friends. It does not have any kind of preservatives, the pesticides, the chemicals, nothing is used in this. It does not have added sugar also. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So, as I told you, my dear friends, overweight and obesity for that matter are metabolic disorders, starting from diabetes, cardiovascular disease, decrease in immunity, osteoarthritis, asthma, high blood cholesterol, renal failure, sleep apnea, gout, low back pain, liver diseases, paralysis, stroke. All these things are in fact the reasons or the root cause for this metabolic disorder called as obesity, my dear friends. Whenever we are talking about overweight and obesity, when we look at the root causes, when we look at the reasons for this condition, all these things actually form the major reasons for this overweight and obesity, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you all. So whenever you are suggesting or consuming this iSlim Flat Tummies bar, you are not only considering the overweight and obesity just by looking at the human being, but you are considering all these underlying problems to manage the conditions. I hope the point is clear to you all. That is the reason why iSlim Flat Tummies bar is considered as a holistic weight management support. I hope the point is clear to you. It is called as a holistic weight management support, which means that it is a product which will help from head till the toe. I hope the point is clear to you. This is a complete product altogether for your digestive and metabolic health. I hope the point is clear. This is how we need to position, we need to suggest iSlim Flat Tummies bar to the people or the customers or the distributors. So you have to understand this particular point before you promote this product. So as you all know that iSlim Flat Tummies bar contains 3 important ingredients. The first ingredient is called as Salacia reticulata, which is an anti-diabetic ingredient. So Salacia reticulata is actually a tree, a medium-sized tree which is available in the southern parts of India till Sri Lanka. It is cultivated there. This wonderful tree has a root. The root contains this wonderful ingredient called as salsitol, which reduces the sugar levels. The second thing, it contains an ingredient called as Coleus forscholi, which reduces the weight. The third is nothing but your Sesamum indicum or the sesame seeds, the seeds of sesame, which actually reduces your cholesterol levels, my dear friends. So all the 3 put together, it is a very good anti-diabetic, it is a weight reducing ingredient, and it reduces the cholesterol also. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So not only this, it also contains the fibers in this, which contains the oat fibers and the ragi fibers. The next thing is it also contains minimum protein concentrates. Again, protein is present but in a very minimal quantity, my dear friends. So the minimal quantity of protein mainly includes the soy protein and the whey protein concentrates. We are not using the very concentrated portion of the proteins. We are using something called as the hydrolysated proteins or the isolated proteins. I hope the point is clear to you. Whenever a person consumes the concentrated part of the proteins, it is quite dangerous to the human body. But whenever we are using hydrolysated portion or the isolated proteins, it is always beneficial for the human body, my dear friends. That is the reason why we are using the soy isolated protein and the whey isolated proteins. I hope the point is clear to you. Not only this, it contains the herbal extracts mainly, which includes the ashwagandha, which is called as the Withenia somnifera. It is also called as the Indian ginseng. And it also contains the Mucuna prurens, otherwise called as the velvet bean seeds, which is the extract which is used in this, which reduces your sugar levels and also reduces the stress during the weight management process. This is how the holistic combination of iSlim Flat Tummies bar is actually formulated, my dear friends. See, as I told you, overweight and obesity, but just by looking at a human being, you should not decide. Even a thin person can have overweight and obesity symptoms. Even a fat person need not have overweight and obesity symptoms. So overweight and obesity is all about a metabolic disorder in the human body. It is not confined to, by seeing a person, by the stature of a person, it should not be decided. I hope my point is clear to you. So going ahead, even for a person with diabetes, suppose if there is overweight and obesity symptoms, definitely you can give iSlim Flat Tummies bar without any problems. So even with high blood pressure or low blood pressure, you can definitely provide iSlim Flat Tummies bar. So during the pregnancy also, during the first 6 months of pregnancy, you can definitely safely give iSlim Flat Tummies bar without any problems. So during the lactation period, that is during the breastfeeding, for the first month you should not give iSlim Flat Tummies. From the second month onwards, you can safely give iSlim Flat Tummies bar to the lactating mother. So you can safely give it without any problems. So during the thyroid program, see, as I told you about the thyroid today, so you can definitely consider this as one of the major indications and leads for the product promotion of iSlim Flat Tummies bar. Because 90 to 95% of the women as well as 5 to 6% of men with hypothyroidism, they are always prone to overweight and obesity. That is the reason why such people you can definitely give iSlim Flat Tummies Bar so that more and more health benefits can come out of it. I hope the point is clear to you all. So far as the heart diseases are concerned also, because the cholesterol plays a major role here, so this is a very good product for taking out or eliminating the bad cholesterol from the body. It reduces the LDL and triglyceride levels, whereas it enhances the HDL or the high density lipoprotein. In other words, we call it as the good cholesterol. Always the good cholesterol has to stay back in the body, whereas the bad cholesterol has to be eliminated out of the body, my dear friends. This is how exactly the iSlim Flat Tummies Bar is formulated. So for best results, I would always suggest you to consume one iSlim bar in the night between 7 to 9 p.m. by having an optional dinner at 6 p.m. This is how the iSlim Flat Tummies Bar has to be consumed. Regular exercise, the lifestyle, consumption of 3 to 4 liters of water is always essential so that your lifestyle and your health, your regular health and wellness is maintained, my dear friends. So at the end, I would like to tell you all again that this particular product is called as a holistic health management support, holistic weight management support, which means that iSlim Flat Tummies Bar is a very important bar for weight management, which includes 3 things. The first thing is to either increase the weight, to control the weight, or to reduce the weight, my dear friends. There are 3 ways to interpret the weight management, either to increase the weight, to manage the weight, or to reduce the weight. I hope the point is clear to everybody. That is how the weight management word must be interpreted. So with this, I would like to end this short topic on iSlim Flat Tummies Bar, my dear friends. I hope you have got the knowledge about the promotion of this product in a scientifically validated and a logical way, so that each and every person who is going to consume this or already consuming have a better knowledge of how the product works inside the human body for the weight management purpose. So thank you so much for this wonderful participation and for attending this short session. So now this is a question answer time. I have this set of questions with me right now. So today my colleague Ms. Sangeeta has collected the questions for me. So the first question is, a person consuming iSlim and iPulse suffering from thyroid and obesity, body stiffness and also body pain, can this help? Very good. For such conditions, I would definitely suggest you to consume both iPulse and iSlim bar. iPulse must be consumed at 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food, whereas iSlim Flat Tummies Bar must be consumed in the evening between 7 to 9 p.m. by taking an optional dinner at 6 p.m. my dear friends. I hope the point is clear. The other thing that I want to tell you all, remind you all, is the fact that please go through our website. In the website, there is a validation tab. Please click on the validation tab. You will get the publications, the scientific publications of iSlim Flat Tummies Bar, where you can download the publications, take a printout, circulate it. You can use it for your promotional purposes. Even while talking with the doctor, for example, you can show these publications and they can get to know how the product is actually working in the human body. I hope the point is clear to you. Again, on our websites, we have our diet charts listed. So we have the vegetarian and the non-vegetarian diet charts. Please do use the diet charts, then you can get the better benefits of this wonderful product iSlim Flat Tummies Bar. So the second question that I am seeing here is, can we use iSlim Bar to increase weight and physique? Absolutely yes. What you need to do is, for the people who are increasing the weight with this iSlim Flat Tummies Bar, it is always important for you to consume iSlim Flat Tummies Bar in the night between 7 to 9 p.m. again, but after consuming iSlim Flat Tummies Bar, leave a gap of half an hour, then you can have your dinner. You should have dinner with more protein and carbohydrates so that your weight gain can be enhanced. I hope the point is clear to you. So the next question that I am seeing here is, from which age iSlim Bar can be started? You can start iSlim Bar from 6 years onwards. Again, I am repeating this point for you. You can consider using iSlim Bar from 6 years onwards. I hope the point is clear. So the next question is, using iSlim and iPulse for the past 2 months, but the weight is increasing. As I told you, my dear friends, please do follow the diet charts which are mentioned on our websites. Your diet has to be limited with carbohydrates and proteins. Your exercise and water consumption has to increase along with iSlim Flat Tummies Bar. So definitely the weight reduction can be seen. I hope the point is clear to you. So the next question is direction of using Ice Slim bar for weight gain. As I told you, after the consumption of Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar, leave a gap of half an hour. Then you can have protein and carbohydrate rich dinner. I hope the point is clear. So the next question, the last question of the day that I am taking here. After Ice Slim, I feel like gas is filled in the stomach. So like heart attack. So you don't have to worry about a heart attack and all, my dear friends. See what will exactly happen after the intake of any wellness product for that matter, because these products are 100% natural with herbal extracts. They will not have any serious adverse effects or side effects. But the only thing which happens before you consume or the initial days of consuming the wellness products is the detoxification process will happen inside the body. Your thermogenesis or the basal metabolic rate, or in simpler words, the heat inside the body will increase. Because of the heat increasing in the body, you will have gas trouble sometimes, you can have loose motions, you might have once or twice the vomiting sensations and vomiting as well. These are the regular processes of detoxification. That is the reason why we are always telling you to consume more and more water during the initial stages or up to 1 month of Ice Slim Flat Tummies consumption. Along with the consumption of water, you can also have the fresh fruit juices also. Without sugar, the fresh fruit juices can be taken so that this detoxification process can also happen properly, and automatically the weight reduction process can also happen. See, most of the people are asking about the age. Again, I am telling you from 6 years onwards, you can use Ice Slim Flat Tummies bar, my dear friends. So thank you so much for posing your wonderful queries. As I told you, there is a link below the chat box there. Please do click the link and send your queries there. So we will be happy to answer them as well. So thank you so much, Vivites, for your wonderful participation. We hope the continuation can happen again. The participation, we need more and more participation to happen on a daily basis to understand our wonderful wellness products, my dear friends. Thank you so much for your patient watching. This is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training at Indus Viva Health Sciences Private Limited, Bangalore, signing off. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.